Oh my gosh, guess what someone said? They said if James can be vegan and eat a plant-based diet, then I can too. I thought that was so funny. Hey you guys, welcome to the first video for our YouTube channel here at The New Vegan. I'm really excited to be getting going with this finally. Today we are going to be doing a grocery store kind of vlog haul type of thing. I'm going to be taking you to the grocery store with me. Our fridge is completely empty. Like, we have nothing because I've been waiting to do this for you guys, and I'm like, no, I am not getting any more food until we do the vlog. So now we're completely wiped out, and I'm going to show you guys what we pick up to live a plant-based / vegan lifestyle. So I'm really excited. You guys will be able to get a feel for what you need to grab at the store when you're there. And yeah, you guys, let's get going. Okay, let's go. Okay, you guys, we are here. The first stop is we always get our jelly and our peanut butter. You definitely want to get organic. I hate getting it here because it is so tiny for $3.69, but it's so important to get organic because you do not want to be eating pesticides. This is so much fun, you guys. Okay. Let's keep going. Okay, the next stop is my favorite. This is the dairy section, and I love Almond Breeze. This is my favorite. Like, I feel like it tastes the most like milk. I like unsweetened, but Babe likes regular, original. I just try to cut out as much sugar as I can, so they're 2 for $7. I love making smoothies in the morning, so we're going to get some mixed berries. These are expensive because they are organic, but it's best to get the large one so that you do not run out for a very long time. You guys can definitely start with smaller ones, the medium ones, but what's best for us is just always the large. Please, when are they going to make bigger packs? So I'm just going to get this because we can make stir fry. Okay, cool. So they have some organic peppers and some shiitake mushrooms. So I'm going to grab those. I always just keep frozen stuff in there because it's so easy to make. So we are in the ice cream section. And yes, Ben & Jerry's now has non-dairy. I like Cherry Garcia fudge brownie. Okay, so a really easy switch to make when being a little healthier is to do the whole grain waffles. No, these aren't vegan, but I do really like these because, you know, I just still like waffles. So definitely just try to get wheat when you can. You can definitely grab the Amy's no cheese pizza, super good, and it's organic. So I always keep these on deck in the house. I really love these for an easy dinner. Babe can't really eat these because of the cheese, but they have the small ones. But as far as the difference for the money goes, I just get these and then just save some for the next day. And in the same section here, these are my favorite, the Amy's black bean burrito. Look for the ones with the black beans and vegetables. Here's my favorite section. Like, if you are transitioning, this section is definitely your best friend. The Morningstar, alternative meat, Boca, Quorn, Gardein. Oh my gosh. So I'll tell you what I love. I cannot live without these sausage patties. These are so bomb. Your kids will love these. Like, I cannot get enough of these. These are my favorite, the buffalo chick patties for the chicken sandwiches. Gardein veggie. I love these. And these are so bomb, the chicken sliders. So they come with the buns and the meat. You just heat them up and then dress them how you like, and they are so good, and two actually do kind of give you a pretty decent feeling. So these would be perfect for your kids. And these are great too. A great substitute for your spaghetti. Okay, so we're in the like dairy butter section, and this is the non-dairy butter that I get. I love the original. As far as juice, I really recommend the Simply brand because it does not contain high fructose corn syrup, and that's really important for you and your kids. So always check the label. Like for instance, this one here, the second ingredient after water is high fructose corn syrup. So definitely check the label for that. We love the fruit punch and the mixed berry. Another small step you can take is, if you still love Lay's, just get the lightly salted. I love these. Anything from Annie's is a great alternative for your kids, and they are organic, so try to check out Annie's. Of course, the organic section. They are out of the strawberry that I usually get, so I'm going to actually try these chocolate chip granolas. We are in the cereal section. And I now pass all of the popular brand cereals, and these are like my favorite. The organics, I love the wheat squares. Watching a lot of the documentaries, you want to try to stay away from a lot of corn products since there's corn in literally everything we eat already. So I try to get the wheat. My boyfriend likes these, but that is corn or rice, obviously corn. So I go for the Raisin brand, and I love the wheat squares with the little brown sugar. A dairy-free salad dressing alternative that I love is this Gerard champagne. It is so bomb. It'll like really make you eat your spinach salad. But I like the light. I already have this at home, but I wanted to show you guys. And all the Annie's, obviously some of them have dairy, but you can check out Annie's. This is a company that I no longer support because they just sold their company to a pharmaceutical company, and that is definitely a clash of interest when it comes to organic, pesticide-free, GMO-free eating. So I do not support that brand. And they now have organic tortillas. I absolutely love these. So I get these now. Oh yeah, wait. The wheat. They also have whole wheat. I hope you guys are enjoying yourselves. Let me know in the comments what you guys are liking so far. Okay, you guys, this is the section where you can find your Vegenaise and your non-dairy cheese. So we're good on ours, but this is where you get it. Here are some cheese options. I personally try not to get soy cheese. There's a little controversy with having too much soy, so I tried to get the almond cheese. They don't have it here. I'm gonna have to go to another place. But if you're starting out, you know, these are definitely just fine. And actually, these are really good. I got these before. Here are the meat-free links and sausages. Oh yeah, and we love these for breakfast. We're just going to go ahead and get some tofu, which do not be afraid of tofu. I have some great recipes for you guys, and look, they are only $1.99, and this can do about 4 servings. So I always get organic, extra firm. All of your fruits and veggies are organic, you guys, no matter what. nice to always get a little small pack of bananas. These are great because you get all this fresh organic spinach for $5. So we literally live off of this. And we love making our vegan broccoli. What is that called again? Rigatoni. Yeah, the broccoli rigatoni. So you want to get your fresh broccoli over here, organic, and this just makes it amazing. So I'll grab some of those. And I love this little section of all of the organic herbs, and they're all only $1.99 each. So this really like takes your food to the next level. So we always get basil and thyme. We always keep thyme on deck. Remember how I was telling you over here are the organic? Okay, cool. So I just get the ones that are full, not cut. Hey, oh my gosh, I think that about does it. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I don't think there's anything else we have to get. Oh, avocado. But other than that, yeah, you guys, let me know if this vlog helped you, and make sure to subscribe to this channel and thumbs it up, and follow us on Instagram at @ForTheNewVegan. I'll check you guys out next time. Okay, I was trying to get this first time. No, you put in a picture because I wanted to.